Hi, welcome to Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. In today's session, we will discuss about a specific inquiry we received from various electronic suppliers. The requirement is they are buying the various parts and components from different suppliers. Each parts or component is having a specific product number or serial number, and they will be selling this raw material or parts or component to various customers. Perhaps the customer may return the goods due to various reasons. In such cases, we should able to track or identify whether the product is being returned by the customer is the same product or the same serial numbered product we have sold to this specific customer. At the same time, by entering this serial number or product number, we should able to track or identify from which supplier we have purchased this specific serial numbered product or against which purchase invoice we have purchased it. The reason is maybe there is a chances of any material defect. That is the reason the customer is returning back the parts or component to us. Once we receive this returned product from the customer, we will check from which supplier we have purchased it. Based on that, we will also return this damaged product to the supplier from whom we have purchased this product. So in this video, we will demonstrate how to deal with a product with a specific or unique serial number and how to filter this specific serial numbered item from the purchase register. At the same time, from the sales register also. Suppose we are going to buy or purchase motherboard, SSD hard disk, processor from one of the supplier, and each of the product is having some unique serial numbers. Like for the motherboard, we are going to buy 5 numbers of motherboard. These 5 numbers of motherboard is having a unique serial number like GM901, GM902, 903, and SSD also there is a serial number for each product like EVM901, EVM902. The similar way, the processor also we are buying 5 numbers and each processor is having a unique serial number printed on this product. So let us make a purchase of these 3 products first. As we know, the purchase feature is grouped under work center menu. Here we can see the purchase button. The same can be activated from the toolbar. Click for purchase. So the total bill amount is 85,000. Suppose the supplier bill number is PT20 and the supplier name is Cochin Traders. The total bill amount is 85,000. And motherboard, gigabyte motherboard purchasing. Here we can see what was the MRP printed on this item when we purchased this item last time. That will be displayed in this field automatically. We can either keep it or we can change it if there is a change in this new purchase. The quantity is 5 amperes we are buying at the rate 5,000. Quantity we will enter 5. And the cost price per motherboard is 5,000. Total 25,000. The tax tariff we have defined at the time of creating this item is 18% and it is displayed in this field. All the taxable and tax related information or figures will be calculated automatically. Then another product we are buying is SSD hard disk 5 numbers. SSD 5 numbers we are buying. And at the rate 2000 is the cost price. Tax values are being calculated automatically. Another product we are buying is processor i3. Processor also we are buying 5 numbers at the rate 10,000. 5 numbers at the rate 10,000. 50,000 total. So now we have ended motherboard 5 numbers, SSD hard drive 5 numbers, processor i3 5 numbers. The total bill amount is purchase bill amount is 85,000 and the total of all the line item detail is also 85,000. Now here we can see each product is having different unique serial numbers. Here we can see motherboard serial numbers are GM 901, 902, 903. Under this purchase bill, whatever product is having serial numbers, that serial numbers you can write in this remark or note field like this. Since I have already written in this notepad, I am just copy and pasting these serial numbers. It is not required to mention the serial number against each item because our purpose is we want to track a specific serial number. It is purchased from which supplier and under which bill we have purchased it. That is the main object of this or the main purpose of this serial numbered product tracking feature. After entering all these serial numbers against this purchase, click on this round off button to adjust if there is any round off figure. Then press enter key to save this purchase. Bill saved successfully. Now, under this purchase, we have purchased motherboard, SSD hard drive and processors. Each product is having a unique serial numbers that we have inserted in the remark field. Later onwards, for example, I want to know GM901 serial product. It is purchased from which supplier and under which bill number. Just mention the serial number here, GM901, in the remark field. So my object is I want to filter from which supplier I have purchased this serial numbered product and what is the purchase bill number. By entering the serial number in this remark field, here we can see there is a button called remark. Click on this remark button. Now system will display this serial numbered product we have purchased on 7th April. The supplier bill number is CT204 and our bill reference number is 123. And in this purchase, the total bill amount is 85,000. And here we can see in the remark field what are the products we have purchased. All such information we can see in this tracking history. So in this way, whenever you make purchases, if there is any product is having unique serial number, if you have mentioned all such serial numbers in the remark or note field, later onwards or in the future, by entering a specific serial number of a product, we can easily track or identify from which supplier under which bill you have purchased this product. Suppose in future if the product is sold to various customers and if any of the customer is returning back to us the same product due to various reasons, we can easily monitor or identify by entering this specific serial number from which supplier we have purchased it, and we can return back to the supplier for exchanging with the help of this easy tracking method by serial number. Let us make a sales bill. As we know, there are different methods of sales bill preparation is available in Brainweaver's retail management system, like generating the sales invoice with a predefined retail or wholesale selling price. It means at the time of making the sales invoice, the users are not able to change or modify the predefined selling price. Another feature is using the barcode scanner. You can make the sales. Similarly, at the time of making the sales, depend upon the situation, even the retail or wholesaling prices are predefined. You can change or modify such selling price at the time of making the sales bill generation. Here, for electronic products or like computer, laptop or mobile, they will mention the serial number, warranty information, all such information in the sales bill. In order to activate such feature of mentioning serial number, warranty information or any additional information against each item, from the home screen click on the right button of the mouse and here we can see in the bottom side sales custom rate and remark. customer rate and remark. I'm going to sell the products which we have recently purchased to one of the customer. I'm giving or selecting the customer as working customer. Suppose it is Mr. Davis. His contact number is if you are selecting a counter working customer, you can mention name and address details in this bill to area. Otherwise, you can make a or create a new ledger of this customer with all the customer detailed address information that will be printed in the sales bill. Here I am going to select gigabyte motherboard. Our selling price we have fixed is 6,500. I am keeping the same rate. Quantity 1 I am mentioning. SSD I am selling 1. And processor I am selling 1 number. The total bill amount is 21,099. And this SSD I am giving 99 rupees as extra discount. Here we can see our selling price is 2,599. Here in the total bill amount it is 21,099. So 99 rupees I am giving as an extra discount. Now we can see the total bill amount is 21,000. Here in this remark field, here we can see the motherboard's serial numbers are GM9012-905 we have purchased, and SSD EVM 9012-905 is the serial numbers, and the processor i3 9012-905 is the serial numbers we have purchased. At the time of making the sales, I will check what is the serial number printed on the product that I am selling. That serial number we can mention in this remark field. Here for the motherboard GM00901 and SSD EVM901 and the processor i3 901. Suppose these are the serial numbers what is printed in the product that I am selling to this customer Davis. After entering all these correct product serial number, I am going to save this invoice. Customer has tendered 21% as cash. Click on the save button to save and generate the bill. And in the bill we can see there are 3 products we have sold to this customer, and down below to each item the serial number will be appeared, like motherboard's serial number is 9GM901, SSD's serial number is EVM901, processor i3 serial number is I3901. So we will make a habit of advising the customer whenever they make a sales return. This sales bill is, or bringing the sales bill is mandatory. In rare cases, there may be a chances for not bringing the sales bill. In such cases, we should identify easily the product the customer is returning back to us is the same serial numbered product we have sold to this specific customer. Such tracking is very easily possible in Brainweaver's e-trade retail management system. Here we can see the motherboard serial number is 901. Suppose later onwards, if the customer has returned back the product motherboard with 901 serial number, in this remark field, enter the serial number of the products the customer is being returned. After mentioning the serial number in the remark field, click on this remark to button. Here we can see the product with this serial number we have sold to customer, walking customer, on 7th April, and the bill number is 812. Such information we can filter very easily, and we can monitor very easily that this serial numbered product is sold from our counter, and this specific serial numbered product we have sold to this specific customer against the bill number 812. So we can very easily identify the right person or the right customer is bringing back the product, and he is eligible for returning or get eligible to surrender the returned product to us. This type of serial number or product number tracking is very easy to manage in Brainweaver's e-trade retail management system. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.